In this video, we now have a Bitcoin decision time, but the question is this going to break bullish or are we going to get rejected and get bearish? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade these guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video, and let's give you first a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba sa previous analysis, sinabi ko nga sa inyo na we are expecting somewhat of an uptrend up until the 64,700 US dollars, because that is a critical resistance. And then diba sabi ko sa inyo dyan, dito magdedepende if magkakaroon tayo ng breakdown after hitting that certain resistance or magkakaroon ng bullish breakout. But right now, as you can see, we are struggling. Bitcoin is actually struggling to break the 64K barrier. So this is more likely telling us na baka nga magkaroon to ng bearish rejection dito. So in this case, I am not going to open into any trade yet because ayun nga, may malaking resistance dito. And if you're going to look at the RSI, as you can see sa RSI, meron tayong certain na support and resistance na nagpo-form. But as you can see right now, we have broken bullish. But ayun nga, nakukulangan ng momentum yung bullish movement dito ni Bitcoin. And if you're going to look at this in the daily stochastic RSI, kay daily stochastic RSI, may somewhat of a good news tayo na nagpo-form, which is this bullish cross. So in the daily, it's hinting na we are potentially going to break 64K. So somewhat of a good sign yon na mababreak niya yung 64K. But ayun nga guys, looking at this in the 4-hour time frame, bearish na siya. So right now, the indicators are very mixed. Very mixed siya ngayon. So ako personally, I'm not sure if this is going to break bullish or bearish. But ang very critical thing lang talaga dito is we have to watch out if magbe-breakout ba tayo dito sa 64,700. Yun yung pinakang crucial number na kailangan natin i-monitor. Kasi if it's not going to break, then of course it's going to go back to the $62,254 if that is the case. But yeah, right now we are going to take things one day at a time. And right now, wala pa tayong nakikita na breakout dito. So in this case, abang-abang lang talaga muna yung magagawa natin for the time being kay Bitcoin price action. And take note na the best traders in the market are the ones who are the most patient. So yeah, we have to be very patient na lang dito kaysa sa maubos yung pera natin, kakaabang at mahit yung SL every time na ginagawa yung move. Ako personally, ginawa ko siya, and ayun nga, na-liquidate yung isang move ko dito. But yeah, all good. Small position lang naman. But yeah, at least a lesson na we have to be very patient lang talaga dito kasi ayun nga, as you can see, it's just consolidating. It's barely consolidating lang dito, and wala pa tayong magagawang kahit anong swing trade, and wala tayong clear indicators dito. Even this falling channel na nagpo-form, you may say na we have a bullish breakout. However, ang kulang dyan sa bullish breakout is volume. So wala tayong ganong volume dito upon the breakout. So this is potentially telling us na it could also lead into a pullback. But yeah, wala tayong clear indicators for the time being. And I guess that's all the update na I could provide. There's no clear indicators, so no trades, and abang-abang lang talaga. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.